Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I look like something. I just set it off, which is fine because I'm actually just gonna do my crochet braids. I will be using like a different type of hair today. So I'm gonna be, yes, I have multiple packs. I'm gonna be using the Freetress Water Wave 22 inches. So I got one color of 27 to kind of make highlights, but I'm mainly using 1B. So yeah, so I'm just gonna get into that and show you guys, not in depth because I already have a video on it, but just, you know, quick and easy. If you want to know what I used to kind of do some flyaways, I used the LK Naturals Lemongrass Slate and Lay Edge Gel, which you guys know I mentioned like throughout whatever video that I lay my edges with. But I'm gonna go back in with this once my crochet braids are actually done. But yeah, so this is how my hair is looking. It definitely grew. This is a partially blown out. Noted that your braids don't have to be perfect, so don't do that, you know. But as you guys know, I usually take 3 and then I braid to the side to prep for the crochet hair. And you just want to do it as tight as you can. Some people use thread. I don't. It's because it's not really for me. But yeah, so once I finish this braid, I loop it back the way I started braiding, which is to my right, and I just lock it in with 2 to 3 strands of whatever hair that I'm using. So yeah, I'm just gonna get into the video.
So long waiting for you that I just can't feel my feet on the ground. Now I'm in my head is clouded. It's an urgency. I need you. You're the type of medicine. You keep me from heartache, falling to pieces. And you're all that I ever think of. I'ma keep on waiting for you, boy. And it feels like I'm addicted to you. Addicted to you. Addicted to you. Addicted. Yeah, I go in on you. Yeah, I go in on you. Yeah. You're like sugar, so sweet. I know this one's for me. It don't matter whatever the weather, 'cause you're my rain and shine. And when I call you darling, can't help but smile. Time can stop forever, that would be fine. I'm where I wanna be. I really wanna make you see. If they don't know nothing else, they know I'm about you. I'm telling everyone I know this song is about you. And I'ma sing it all day, all night, 'cause I want to. I wanna tell the whole wide world about your love, your love, your love.
Okay, guys, so after tweaking it, this is how it's looking. I am gonna keep fluffing just to fix it how I want it. It is going to be time for me to take a nap. But yeah, make sure if you liked it, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, peace.